A good pair of slippers can be cleaned to extend their lifespan. If they are made of cotton, they can be machine washed on a gentle cycle using warm water and a washing machine bag. You can also hand wash them in warm, soapy water and leave them to soak for 10 minutes before rinsing. Remove any excess water from the slippers by pressing or squeezing them before letting them air dry or drying them with a blow dryer on a warm setting. The interior of cotton or fleece-lined slippers can be cleaned with baby wipes or a damp washcloth with mild detergent. Suede slippers should not be submerged in water, but any spills can be blotted and wiped with a clean towel. A suede cleaning kit can come in handy for tougher stains and to restore the texture of the suede. Leather slippers should be treated with leather-safe soap and can be shined with a soft cotton cloth. Consider applying a leather shoe conditioner as well to keep your leather slippers moisturized and good as new.